how you can easily share and scan WhatsApp QR codes to add new contacts or share your contact info in just a snap. Whether you're networking, meeting new friends, or just looking for a quicker way to connect, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First up, let's open WhatsApp. Once you're in, you can see three bars. Click on it and click on Settings. Here you can see right next to your name a small QR code icon. Tap on it. This is your personal QR code. You can share this with others to let them add you on WhatsApp without typing in your phone number. So, to share your QR code, simply tap the share icon at the top right. You can send it through other apps, save it to your photos, or even share it directly with nearby devices. Now, let's say someone wants to share the QR code with you. To scan it, go back to the QR code screen on your profile and tap on Scan Code at the bottom. By doing so, your camera will open up, ready to scan a QR code. Simply point it at the QR code you want to scan and WhatsApp will automatically recognize it and add the contact. Or if you have picture of the QR code, you can simply go on the gallery and scan the QR code. And that's it. You've just learned how to share and scan WhatsApp QR codes, making adding new contacts a breeze. Here at the top right, you can see you can reset your QR code as well. And this is all you need to learn to share and scan WhatsApp QR codes. Thanks for tuning into our channel for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and ring that notification bell for more tech tips and tricks.